Hello and welcome to I'm the Best Mom. I'm the Best Mom is a focused community to support every mother during her motherhood journey. We have reached to 8 million families with different activities as on date. Now, we are going through a difficult time of COVID-19, and this pandemic has affected almost everybody, be it with physical, mental, spiritual level. And this particular session, a plan ahead with 5 experts, 9 sessions, and unlimited learning. We are on the third day of the event, and thank you so much for your active participation. Now, we run any program. It is very, very important to appreciate and to take it forward the best of the learning. And when we are running this event, I am very thankful to the people, the organization who are supporting us. So let me express my gratitude to them. And the most important in this journey is about spreading the happiness, spreading the love. Now, today, we are extremely fortunate to have Ms. Aarti Sabur, CEO of Parisar Asa. When I say about our Ms. Aarti Sabur, now she strongly believes that the positive change in the society can be brought with continuous innovation, and particularly when she is managing the ecosystem with education. Before I come to Aarti Sabur, here there is a piece of video which I'm sure you all will appreciate the hard work Parisar Asa has been doing for last 4 decades.
We are all born with these natural qualities. We have all experienced these qualities when we were young. But as we grow up, we forget our natural qualities. Rather, we are forced to forget. Can we dream of a learning system where our natural qualities are encouraged for future sustainability of the individual and also our planet? Parisar Asha is Gloria's dream to change the education system to provide joyful learning for a sustainable future through the environment for the environment. Gloria D'Souza, a school teacher, created revolution in the history of Indian education with her not-for-profit registered trust, Parisar Asha. Gloria was the first Ashoka Fellow and has been awarded with international recognition as a social entrepreneur. Today, Parisar Asha is spearheaded by Ms. Aarti Sabur with a team of professionals from various national and international backgrounds. Parisar Asha is supporting public and private schools to provide affordable, joyful education at par with global standards.
Government says right to education. We believe at Parisar Asha right to right education. To support our educational institutions to provide quality education and also creative education, Parisar Asha has various unique programs. One of the signature program is Ecotech World School program, because what we believe that today the need is to be eco. Eco is not only your environment, but it can be also your economy, and tech is a technique to live life.
Ecotech World School program is a wholesome program to empower schools to address the challenges of 21st century educational needs while maintaining the fundamentals and identity of the school intact through its unique pedagogy of ESOL, Environmental Studies Approach Towards Learning. This comprehensive program provides global curriculum suitable for State Board and CBSE syllabus for nursery to Standard 7, detailed lesson plan guidelines, digital and traditional teaching aids, virtual classrooms, worksheets and workbooks, assessment and evaluations, teachers training to develop academic skills as well as soft skills, and parents orientation. In a nutshell, a complete support system to create tomorrow's successful, positive, global citizens. Environment, school, teacher, and parent. These are very important factors in the child's learning process. To complete this chain and to address parental issues, Parisar Asha has launched a free helpline number.
It gives me great pleasure to be here at this global symposium on soul and education organized by Parisar Asha, which is taking government's initiative of right to education a step further by promoting right to right education.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम को थोड़ा सुधारे, थोड़ा क्रिएटिव ही बनाए, जैसी आपकी थिंकिंग है, तो मैं बड़ी खुश हो जाऊंगी क्योंकि आई एम अ पेरेंट टुडे.
This is a pleasure to receive Ms. Aarti Sabur, ma'am. Welcome to I'm the Best Mom, ma'am, for the Plan Ahead Conclave. I'm so thankful to you. You have been associated with us from the day one, and your initiative, a society can go for a literal reformation with education and good health, which you have been doing for last so many years. With this, I would like to pass on to you. Please.
Yeah, so thank you so much. And I'm the best mom. Yeah, I am the best mom. And thank you so much for inviting us and being associated with Parisar Asha. And it's my great pleasure to be over here. And I have with me Ketki Gokhale, who is the Parisar Asha's psychologist. And let's start, this session. With your permission, may I start?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
And with this, I can also ask all our viewers to put their question on the Q&A section.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can take it in between or maybe towards the end of the session.
Yeah, so let me just tell all the audience over here, how the session is going to be. As the session name suggests, it's Corona se Darona, because today we are all fixed in this, particular our home, in the situation from where we just can't escape. There is no way out. We can't see anywhere to go. If it was only our country's problem, people would have ran to another country. But now no country is taking us. So there is no, actually we are losing hope. We are losing our near and dear ones. So this is the very crucial time where Parisar Asha, has been very much instrumental in creating that awareness and also helping people on social, emotional, support. So that's what I thought, this Corona Se Darona, this particular session, where we will be talking about fear factor, and we will be also talking about 4 aspects of our life, which are very, very strong pillars of our life. That is your physical well-being, your emotional well-being, your spiritual well-being, and your financial well-being. So my today's session is going to be, talking about this. And these are not really, I'm not a doctor or anything. I'm not going to give you all that big gyan or philosophy, but I'm going to share what I'm practicing and which has been really useful for me. And we have been working with so many, in fact, in a year, we work with more than 1 lakh families. So this is going to be, like an interactive session, and I want all of you also to be participating in this. So are you ready? So if you're ready, just type it in a chat box, because I don't like people who are just listening to me. It's because we are used to listening to so many sessions and so many webinars. Every day there are so many things are happening. It's like going for some satsang. In that satsang, we listen, we hear, and we say, wow, 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 kya barabar bol rahe, but bahar aake we do the same thing. So I don't want, these things to happen. And we are there to support forever for you. It's not that only, for this session, but we are also going to share our helpline number, which are going to be, useful for you. These are absolutely free of cost services. We are there with all of you. Okay, which we will be sharing towards the end of the session. So now, okay, I'm so happy that people are typing. I'm ready. Yes. So just say loudly over there. I know we cannot hear you, but let me, I want to feel that energy, because this is the only thing which is going to save us, the energy, the kind of positivity. I'm not talking about Corona positivity. I'm talking about the positivity towards your life. Okay, so let's start this session, and let's talk about, first of all, when we talk about Corona Se Darona. So the session ka naam mein darona hai, dar hai, but we have seen so many times dar ke aage jeet hai types, So I'm going to ask you, all of you, since you all said you are ready, let me just have quickly, another feedback from all of you. If you can type in your age group. Okay, you don't have to disclose your age if you don't want to, but you can, somewhere near 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, whichever the closest, whole number is there, just type that, and also your profession. So I will get an understanding from what profession, you belong to. Yeah. Come on, 30, 40, 51, okay, 50, educationist, and I need to know profession also, teacher, okay. Psychologist, teacher, homemaker. Wow. So, okay, I have got an understanding like what age group you people are belonging to, and I can easily relate to that, because I also fall into that category, and where, we are, fixed in such a situation where we have to take care of our younger ones also, and we have to take care of our elderly ones also. Am I right? So that's where I'm going to, discuss, and, we'll just have brainstorming session, that how do we work on these, different areas, aspects of our life, so that our family is taken care of. Because once your family is happy and protected, then we can think of a bigger picture of a society. Okay, so let's talk about fear. Do you get scared of anything? I mean, do you have any fear, phobia? Yeah, so yes, Vijay sir, we will be, sharing everything, all the details. Don't worry. Just wait till the time my session gets over. Yeah. So I just wanted to know, do you have any kind of fears and phobias? If yes, you can type, and maybe you can write down, what kind of phobias you're losing loved ones. Yes. And can you rate also your fear factor on the scale of 1:10? So maybe today let's talk about, of course, we have n number of fears and phobias, throughout our life. But yeah, right now there is Corona, which is the major issue in everyone's life, because it has taken toll on our health. It's taken toll on our mental health. It's taken toll on our near and dear ones. There are so many people who are losing life, and maybe, we are experiencing every day we are, listening to so many news. We have fear of dying, right? Leaving kid alone. 8. Yes. If something happens to me, yes. See how, like we are all worried if something happens to me. So we may not be getting scared of death, but leaving behind our near and dear ones is the major, fear. But let me tell you that someday or the other is going to happen. Nobody, यहाँ से कोई जिंदा बच के नहीं गया है. So before Corona also there used to be deaths, isn't it? Yeah, fear of life. But problem अभी क्या हो रहा है ना? The situation is कभी-कभी हमारे जिंदगी में we used to hear that like people are dying, and there is no house on this planet जिनके घर में death नहीं हुई है. Is there any house? No. Nobody is immortal. We are all mortals. We are going to die one fine day. So this is the right time to have that realization that Corona has actually given us that time to think, to react, to reflect कि all these time what we were doing, क्या उसका कुछ मायने होता है जिंदगी में. Another thing I would like to tell you is fear is 90% is imaginary. You may not die immediately, or you may die, but that thinking कि अरे बाप रे क्या होगा, like कल को कोरोना हो जाएगा. See, now we are over here around, I think 106 people over here. उसमें से बहुत से लोगों का तो होके भी गया होगा कोरोना. So either you have not yet experienced corona, either you have experienced corona and you have, we are all alive over here. Many of you must have lost somebody. Many of you must have lost jobs. Many of you must have taken pay cuts, isn't it? So everybody, we are all sailing, I won't say in the same boat, but we are in the same storm. We are all going through. And जब भी कोरोना से पहले अगर किसी के साथ कुछ बुरा होता था तो वो अकेला ही फैमिली में ऐसा होता था. And we used to feel, oh my God, इसकी डेथ हो गई, how that other wife is going to survive, how that husband is going to manage the kids. But आज ऐसा है ना, हम सब साथ हैं. So let's take that as a positive side, कि हम सब साथ हैं, हम सब एक ही जो दुश्मन है हमारा जो कोविड उसको फाइट कर रहे हैं. बट अभी फाइट करें तो कैसे करें? तो सबसे पहले you have to face your fear. Can we face it? Because let's do one exercise. कि सबसे ज्यादा आपको अगर आपके पास अभी बुक है, पेन है, you can do it, or if not, maybe do it later. But this is an exercise, very good exercise. You have to list it down. आपको लिस्ट करनी है सबसे ज्यादा मुझे फियर किस चीज का है. ओके, आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे लिखा फियर ऑफ लाइफ, that somebody, like what will happen to my family. So let's start planning. This entire session, what I'm the best mom is planning is plan ahead. Consider, one time. आपको एक ही बार ये exercise करनी है, बार बार सोचना नहीं है. See, we are actually why we are, like in trouble, because we keep on, like playing that same again and again and again and अरे बाप रे ऐसा हुआ तो, अरे बाप रे वैसा हुआ तो. So I will give you tips, do's and don'ts during this, especially Corona times. आप क्या कर सकते हो? That definitely I will be sharing with you. But before that, I want all of you to write down your fear factors, and you have to write down कि worst scenario में क्या होगा. समझिए अभी सबको सबसे ज्यादा fear है death. Okay, if you are dead, then what? आपके लिए तो सब खत्म, but your family is there behind. So have you provided for your family? Have you made them sufficient? नहीं है. So then can I, like work backwards? So I will talk to you about financial planning also. But this is something what you have to have your plan of action ready. कि worst scenario में क्या होगा? See, we are never ready. Nobody is ever ready to die. कोई भी मतलब अगर आप 90 years लीजिए, 95 years लीजिए, 105 years लीजिए, nobody is ready to die. But somebody will have to die. Everybody will have to die sometime or the other. Unfortunately, किसी के साथ जल्दी हो जाता है, जिसको हम लोग अकाली, it's not untimely, it's untimely death. So let's, like save ourselves from those untimely deaths. What we can do, So let's first of all we have to face the fear. Once you face the fear, once you write it down and write down your action plan कि okay अगर ये होता है worst scenario में ये हो सकता है तो क्या मेरा बैकअप प्लान रेडी है उसके लिए. Start working on your backup plans. Another fear का हम लोग कैसे उसके ऊपर how you can उसके ऊपर विक्ट्री आप पा सकते हो fear के फैक्टर पे. Writing it down. See, writing is the best, psychological exercise. क्योंकि आपके मन में जो emotions है, it has to vent it out. Many a times क्या होता है ना, we are showing कि I am very strong. नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. I am तो, sometimes we are overconfident, sometimes we are underconfident. But that's where very important thing is, if you are feeling scared, if you are feeling, talk to somebody, आपके जो near and dear ones है, उनको डराइए मत. But understand, see, I will also take you through the emotional well-being, जहाँ पे we have to understand what all our emotions, हमारे मन में क्या चल रहा है. That is very, very important. So that's where सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि fear के ऊपर अगर आपको जीतना है fear का, तो सबसे पहले आपको fear का जो worst situation होगा वो write it down. But this is only one time exercise. आपको रोज नहीं लिखना है. एक बार लिख के प्लान करना है कि ओके ये मेरा प्लानिंग रेडी है. नाउ बुक इज क्लोज्ड. आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मेरे फाइनेंशियल्स. टेल योर आपकी जो फैमिली मेंबर्स है उनको बता दीजिए, बच्चों को बता दीजिए. नॉट दैट बच्चों को बताना है कि हाँ अगर मैं मर गई तो ऐसा ऐसा करना. See, first of all, let me tell you, our children are going through real tough time. They are there at home. They are stuck at home. उनके साथ कुछ social involvement नहीं हो रहा है. There is no social activity, social interaction. And if you keep on talking these things again and again, it's going to really, harm them psychologically. Because I got a call from one of my relative only. She lost her parent, she lost her in-laws during this pandemic time, and her children are so scared now. When they get up, they start crying because they have seen so many deaths in the family. So that's where it's very, very important that आपके बच्चों को आप किस तरीके से handle करोगे ये COVID times में. And at the same time, see, that's where I'm saying कि every family will have a different environment. जैसे अभी आपने हमारा वीडियो देखा परिसर आशा. It's परिसर is a Sanskrit word जिसमें परिसर का मतलब है environment, your immediate environment, and आशा is hope. We all learn from our environment. We all learn from our experiences from our environment. आज आप जिस तरीके के इंसान हो वो वैसे क्यों हो? क्योंकि वैसे environment, वैसे माहौल आपको मिला. So it's very important to create the right environment for children to nurture. Unfortunately, today our children are caught up in the house and there is so much of negativity. There is so much of, negative environment. So that's where it's very important for you people. And it's only not about children, but it's also about elderly. अगर आपके घर पे आपके पेरेंट्स में किसी एक की डेथ हो गई है या कोई एक सीरियस है, कोई एक कुछ है, so the other person starts feeling, and first of all, they feel, see, I'm telling you, they are like another kids. अगर आपके घर पे आपके जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स है, so I'm sure you must be feeling कि बच्चों को बड़ा करना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन उनको हैंडल करना बहुत मुश्किल है. Because they are in a different zone altogether. They have lived their life, but at the same time, they feel, am I becoming a burden on my child? और अगर मुझे लेके जाता तो अच्छा होता. And if somebody, some young death has happened in the house, then finish. Then the elderly, how to manage that person, it's a very, very challenging thing. So don't worry, we are there to help you. We are there to support you. Because every family will have different challenges, but we have our counselors, we have a psychologist, we have a psychiatrist on board. So anytime you are stuck into these situations, feel free to contact us on our helpline. We are there to support you. But I'm just telling you, in general, death hoti hai, death hogi, because we are all going to die one fine day. But उसका अभी imaginary हम लोगों ने इतना बड़ा phobia बना के रखा है. Don't get into that. Live your life every moment. Let's, face the fear and live. Start living. अभी तक क्या होता था ना, इतने सालों तक हम लोग सिर्फ जी रहे थे, पता नहीं किस लिए जी रहे थे. अभी we know कि कल हो ना हो. तो let's start living. Let's start enjoying life. तो जितने लोग हैं घर पे, chill out. Start अगर फियर का मैंने जैसे आपको बताया, एक बार लिख के खत्म कीजिए, बस वो बुक बंद हो गया. उसके बाद में वी हैव टू स्टार्ट लिविंग. आउट ऑफ दैट 100, आपका जो अगर फोबिया का जो लेवल होगा 100, उसमें से 90% इज, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इज इमेजिनरी. इट मे नॉट हैपन. वी डोंट नो. लाइफ इज सो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल कि बुरी चीजें भी नहीं हो सकती. You know, if you can believe that there is a virus and that virus is unseen, nobody has seen that virus, and if we can still feel and that virus has created that havoc, so can't we believe that there is some, you know, like supreme power of universe which is not seen but it's still there. We are all there, you know, like we are still, we feel so many times miracles. So start believing that, believe that there are going to be miracles, believe that there is a hope always. Okay, so please face your fear. And now let's, you know, like come back to talking about how do we take care of ourselves during this corona time, during this COVID times. As I told you, you are, you know, like in an age group where you have to take care of your kids also, where you have to take care of your elderly and your near and dear and family and friends, you know, because this is a time to show that we are humans, we are not machines. Unfortunately, itne saalon se hum log machine bane hue the, we are just running, you know, like hum log itna routine zindagi जी रहे थे ना कि ओके ये उबर पे आपको स्कूल में जाना है, बाद में आपकी शादी होगी, बाद में बच्चे होंगे, बाद में, you know, you will get a good job, of course, before that, and finally one fine day you die. But today we have got the reason to reflect, because it's a pause, it's a long pause for everyone's life today. So today is a reason to reflect and respond towards life. Okay, and whichever way can we contribute to help to support each other, because this is a time when we all need to be together, of course with social distancing. अगर आपके घर के लोग होंगे तो साथ में रहिए, बट अदरवाइज यू हैव टू रियली मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट डर, जिसको हम लोग फियर बोलते हैं, फोबिया बोलते हैं, इट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. इमेजिन अगर डर नहीं होता जिंदगी में तो हम लोग विदाउट मास्क सब जगह पे घूमते अभी भी, बिकॉज people are not taking care and they are over, you know, like they feel कि एकदम they are like cool types, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. So many people have lost their life because of that. अगर आपके पास फियर फैक्टर है इन लिमिट, ऐसे भी नहीं है कि पूरा दिन मैं इतना फियर करूं कि मैं ब्रीथ, सांसें भी लेना भूल जाऊं. So no, it has to be, you know, like maintained. And fear is a natural phenomenon for everyone for protection. अगर आपके पास फियर नहीं होगा तो you will not take care of yourself. आज फियर फैक्टर की वजह से people are taking care of yourself. Vaccination because आपको लगता है ना आप जिंदा रहो तो we have to take care of, you know, ourselves, our near and dear ones. तो वो फियर होना बहुत जरूरी है. It's not always fear is bad, fear is good, fear is, it's a natural mechanism for everyone to take care of themselves. Okay, so once you understand कि fear is not a bad thing, it's a good thing to have fear. And limit में हर एक को fear होना चाहिए. जैसे अगर आपने देखा होगा आपके बच्चे, many a times they don't listen to you. आप कितने बार बोलते हो अरे उसके ऊपर मत चढ़, गिर जाएगा, लेकिन नहीं बच्चा सुनता, क्योंकि उसमें वो फियर नहीं है, डर नहीं है. बट एक बार जब खुद गिर जाएगा तभी क्या होता है, he realizes कि हाँ नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं करेगा फिर वैसा. So that's where वो डर कहीं ना कहीं हर एक को जरूरी है. And accept, you know, we need to accept everything in a life. जब once we accept everything, that time we start working on it, how to change it. So let's come to our first, area where we want to work on is the physical well-being. See, I'm not going to give you any gyan or anything because I'm sure you all are graduates, postgraduates of WhatsApp University, isn't it? बहुत हम लोग WhatsApp पे बहुत कुछ पढ़ते हैं, हम लोग Facebook पे बहुत कुछ पढ़ते हैं. You know, I have stopped using, I don't read WhatsApp on groups now because groups में इतना इधर उधर से शेयर होता है. अरे you won't believe, क्योंकि see, I'm telling you today कि fear जरूरी है. आई एम ऑल्सो स्केर्ड. इट्स नॉट दैट कि यू नो मैं दिखा रही हूँ, इन्होंने मुझे बुलाया है आज यहाँ पे बात करने के लिए, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं आई हैव रीच टू दैट लेवल कि अरे हाँ अभी तो मुझे किसी चीज का डर नहीं लगता है, मतलब निर्वाणा स्टेज पे पहुंची नहीं हूँ मैं भी. I am also like you. I also go through all the phobias. In fact, when I said, you know, my daughter, I told my daughter, I said, see, I will be conducting this Corona se Daruna. She said, you are going to be, you know, like a fake person then. because तू भी इतना डरती है उसके you know, when we जरा सी खांसी हो गई, I go for RT-PCR. But that's what I'm saying, you know, like we are living, इतना information overload हो रहा है कि we are living in a hypnotic stage today. पूरे लोग जो है यहाँ पे we are as if it's a different world altogether. जो हमारा pre-normal था और आज का जो world है, it's a completely 360-degree change. But we will go back to normal, and that's what we have to give hope to each other. क्योंकि वो ही हमारे हाथ में है. There is nothing else what we can do, because see, there are so many times it's a karma, it's a prarabdha, you call whatever it is. So I'll talk to that about in my spiritual, you know, like when I'll be talking about spirituality. But let's talk about physical well-being. So physical well-being में जैसे आप सब लोगों को मुझसे ज्यादा मालूम होगा कि yeah, we have to take care of our health and immunity. जो बार बार लोग बात कर रहे हैं immunity की, I'm sure you are doing, but don't overdo, because I have done that. I've been drinking kadas and what all things. अभी मेरा throat इतना खराब हो गया है because it's so hot or anything. So I have realized with my own mistakes. So I'm giving you the tips कि भैया कोई भी चीज ज्यादा मत कीजिए. You know, like you have to do it in limit. I know when we are scared, we overdo. When we are scared, we manifest that into either overdoing or aggression or anger. Are you all feeling that घर के लोग बहुत ज्यादा angry हो गए हैं? Because it's a fear which gets manifested into anger. So physical fitness के लिए, I think very important thing is you have to have, you know, आपके exercises, regular exercises, very important. You know, like I know you can't go out, but if you have a terrace, if you can just walk in your house. So you have to make sure even your children, you know, your children should be doing these things, because children have excess energy. Unfortunately, these children, they cannot go out. They cannot go and play on the ground. So you need to entertain. I know it's a very difficult thing, because many times parents comes to us and they say, I'm fed up. कितना मैं संभालूं, बच्चों को संभालूं, स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं, स्कूल में एटलीस्ट 6 घंटा मेरे दिमाग को शांति रहता था, बट आज I don't know how to handle them. So don't worry, we are always there. You can just a call away, and it's a toll free. आपको उसका, you know, like पैसा भी नहीं पड़ेगा. So we are always there, because maybe your challenges are different, and I cannot have, you know, like a set rule fit for everyone. You know, with everyone's challenges, everyone's emotions, everyone's personality is completely different. So that's where what I'm saying is, but exercise is very important. Food, right food. I'm not saying, you know, you have to eat some fancy protein shake or ये खाओ, vitamin C. अरे बाप रे, vitamin C खाने को बोला, लोग day night vitamin C, नींबू पानी पी रहे, ये पी रहे, वो पी रहे. But you know what? At a time when you have these too many limbu, or you have those sweet limes or whatever juices, it actually aggravates your cough. So everything, take care of your, you know, like you talk to your physician, under their guidance you can take, you know, like whatever you want to do with yourself. Because see, we are just reading, इतना information overload हो रहा है कि ये करो तो कोरोना नहीं होगा, वो करो तो कोरोना नहीं होगा. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता भाई, अगर आपके नसीब में होना है तो होगा. There is nothing what you can do, because we have got cases where the person has never stepped out, but that person has got corona. So there is nothing. You just have to accept, okay, आया, हो गया कोरोना, अभी क्या करे, अभी रोए? नहीं, you cannot give up. We need to be the fighters till the end. जब तक है जान, you know, you have to keep on fighting. You have to, till the time you breathe, there is always hope. So when you find, you know, like ठीक है, अभी हो गया किसी को, what will you do? Immediately you have to quarantine that person. अगर आपके पास जगह नहीं है, तो maybe you can find resources. And in fact, now we have also got a tie-up with people, you know, like where people are in the hospitals. We have tie-up with other NGOs where, you know, like, क्योंकि बीच में आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत ऑक्सीजन का प्रॉब्लम था अभी, and you keep on hearing, we have learned so many new things, you know, वो क्या mucosis and what all things are, every day there is some new disease coming up. So don't get panic. First of all, don't get panic. I know it's very easy to tell you don't get panic, but it may happen even with me, like I also will get panic. So understand your emotion, that I will talk about in the emotional thing. So since it's in my flow of, when I'm talking, if you get corona, if you are not get, abhi tak nahi hua hai, it may happen, let's face it practically, कि होगा किसी ना किसी को कभी ना कभी. It will be like a viral, जैसे हम लोग को वायरल फीवर होता है. अगर आपकी इम्यूनिटी, आपकी माइंड की इम्यूनिटी है स्ट्रॉन्ग, इफ यू हैव दैट फाइटिंग का जो जज्बा है, फाइटिंग ऐसे नहीं है लोकल ट्रेन में जाके फाइट करेंगे सीट के लिए, 4th सीट के लिए, बट फाइटिंग विथ लाइक विथ योरसेल्फ कि नो, आई विल नेवर गिव अप, टिल द टाइम आई विल फाइट टू फॉर माई सर्वाइवल. बिकॉज टुडे आज सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट बहुत जरूरी है सबके लिए. इट्स अ सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट, इट्स अ रूल ऑफ आवर यूनिवर्स. सो अगर आपको सर्वाइव करना है, एंड एवरीबडी इज रिटन ओवर हियर कि वी वांट टू लिव फॉर आवर नियर एंड डियर वंस, एवरीबडी वांट्स टू लिव फॉर नियर एंड डियर वंस. सो लेट्स लाइक फाइट बैक, लेट्स गिव देम I really loved, जो हमारे बॉम्बे के म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर है, उन्होंने बोला कि they started, chase the virus. Instead of we running away from virus, chase the virus. वो जज्बा होना चाहिए हम लोगों में. So first of all, your physical health is very important. Have certain physical activities. तो आपका जो स्ट्रेस है ना, वो भी निकल जाएगा. घर के अंदर ही कीजिए, जंप कीजिए, स्किपिंग कीजिए, थोड़ा सा योगा, मेडिटेशन की भी मैं बात करूंगी, बिकॉज बहुत हमारे पास कॉल्स आते, बोलते भैया हम लोग मेडिटेशन करने बैठते हैं ना तो बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं जाता, मन में इतने सारे सवाल और मन में इतने सारे ख्याल रहते. सो दैट वी विल टॉक इन द इमोशनल हमारा जो सेक्शन है उसके अंदर. बट फिजिकल में पानी, ड्रिंक clear clean water, because water is H2O, so you will get more oxygen. because आज ऑक्सीजन बढ़ाने के हर एक तरीके हम लोग इतने देख रहे हैं, people are breathing. अरे इतना टेंशन आ जाता है, पता नहीं ब्रीथ कर रही हूँ मैं सही ढंग से, नहीं कर रही हूँ. so don't get into information overload. जैसे जी रहे हो वैसे ही जीजिए, but थोड़ा सा like it's a time that we need to make certain changes in our regular routine. रूटीन में थोड़े चेंजेस जरूरी है आज जीने के लिए, बिकॉज लाइफ हैज चेंज. एंड जैसे बता, खाना आपको सही ढंग, स्लीप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपको फिजिकली फिट रहना है तो स्लीप इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गेट साउंड स्लीप फॉर एटलीस्ट 8 hours? If you can type quickly in the chat box. Yes. 5 hours. How many of you have really problems with sleeping? 6 hours, 8 hours. Okay, see, when you are under stress, that's a time when you may not get sleep. Or it can be that you are having too much of work. But आज घर पे ही सब लोग हैं, इतना भी काम किसी को नहीं होगा कि जहाँ पे आपको 7-8 hours का स्लीप नहीं मिल रहा है. अगर नहीं मिल रहा है, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू गेट स्लीप, बिकॉज स्लीप इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल इन दिस टाइम. It's not the normal days, so it's very important. Okay, I feel tired but still can't sleep. Okay, see, that is because there are so many things happening in our mind, isn't it? तो वहां पे अभी जब भी मैं इमोशनल वेलबींग की मैं बात करूंगी तभी आपको I'll tell you, because sleep also comes into that, because if you are not if you are under stress, then it is really difficult for people to sleep properly. Okay, mom of a toddler, yeah, then it is difficult, ma'am, for you to sleep. If you don't have a small baby and still you can't sleep, then it's a time that you have to look into that. So there are times when there is a depression, there is uncertainty, there are so many thoughts in the mind. You know how many thoughts we get daily? We get around 80 to 70,000 thoughts, and usme se na 80% are negative thoughts only. So this is another challenge what a human race is facing, that because you will see हमारा जो पहले वाला जनरेशन था, they are happy go lucky, उनको उतनी पड़ी नहीं है क्योंकि उनके जिंदगी में इतने सारे उतार चढ़ाव नहीं थे जितने हमारे जिंदगी में है. So it is very important for us to protect ourselves with, lot of, see, it's a really challenging thing, to live today. But at the same time, it's not very difficult. It's also easy. So I will give you some do's and don'ts also. In that, I will tell you. So yeah, it's, I think I'll have to quickly start because it's 8 o'clock, right? We have to close and we can take some question answers. So let me come back to emotional well-being. So let's understand first emotions. See, we all have different types of emotion. Can you tell me which are positive emotions? Can you put it in the chat box quickly, which you think they are positive emotions? Just somebody is getting negative dreams. Yes, so ma'am, if you have any issues like that, please feel free to contact us. We will guide you. We will help you out, definitely. Okay, smile, happiness, optimism, humor, very good. Seeing your child, happiness, smiling face. Okay. Okay, now tell me the negative emotions. I'm talking about emotions. जो हमारे मन में होते हैं ना, emotions. Anger, anxiety, getting angry, yes. Sad. WhatsApp messages, okay. Frustration, anger, anxiety, depression, then fear. Fear is very, it's a major emotion which is negative. Feeling isolated, fear, yeah, fight, depression, yes. So please understand, this is the time when you have to realize what emotions are going through in your mind. Okay, because unless and until you understand yourself, your emotions, you cannot control it. हम लोग देखते हैं बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना, लोगों का उनके ऊपर काबू नहीं रहता, जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है, दे कुछ तोड़ फोड़ देते हैं, they get very aggressive. How many of you have control completely on your anger? How many of you don't get angry at all? If you don't get angry at all, type in yes, you don't get angry at all. Anybody over here who is joined, who doesn't get angry at all? Sometimes me, okay. See, it's very difficult, सबको ही आता है गुस्सा, because this is a natural emotion. See, please understand, whenever you feel these kind of emotions, you have to understand and realize. तो उसके लिए और एक exercise है, अभी हमारे पास time नहीं है, तो I'm not getting into the exercises over here, but I'm giving you these exercises which you can do it at home. आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक पेपर लेना है, पेपर पे you have to write down your strengths and write down your weaknesses. See, it's an introspection of ourselves, of yourself. Okay, my wife also angry sometimes very badly. Yes. See, मैं अभी यहाँ पे आपके wife के बारे में या फिर आपके husband के बारे में उनके strengths and weaknesses नहीं बात कर रही. Because अगर हम लोगों ने हमारे spouse के लिखना चालू कर दिया तो इतना बड़ा you will have to have so many episodes and so many like volumes to that. But यहाँ पे you have to understand yourself. See, because you cannot change your wife. Can you change your wife? No, you cannot change your wife. But you can change the way you are looking at it, your perception. You cannot change the world. The change starts within. If you can't have any control on the world, you cannot, but you can have control on yourself. Definitely you can have control on yourself. Many times, like we get people complaining, इसकी वजह से मुझे गुस्सा आता है. किसी की वजह से गुस्सा नहीं आता है. सिर्फ गुस्सा हमें हमारी वजह से ही आता है. The pain, I'm telling you, I'm writing it down and telling you कि nobody can hurt you in this world. Nobody can give you pain in this world. It's only you who is giving pain to yourself. Am I right or wrong? If you agree with me, put it in the chat box that right. You agree with me? Yes. Nobody in this world has that, capacity to actually hurt you. It's we hurt ourselves so much. your wife will never think, but then like we feel like अरे इसने ऐसा किया, इसने मुझे ऐसा बोला, इसने मुझे, but हम खुद क्यों बोल रहे हैं, we are talking to ourselves so badly, so negatively. So this is the time when we have to realize our emotions. You have to we have to live in awareness. Life is what, when they say, let's come to the spirituality, then we are talking about emotions. When I told you कि you have to do like आपका खुद का एक होमवर्क आपको करना है, जिसमें आपको लिखना है आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड आपके वीकनेसेस. जब भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा मेरे वीकनेसेस क्या है, you will start working on that. And when you will see that you are a different person, your wife will be always, she will appreciate, your husband will appreciate, your children will appreciate. They'll say, अरे ये क्या हो गया मम्मी को, मम्मी तो ठीक थी, अभी इतने दिन क्या हो गया, suddenly she has started becoming good. So once you start thinking, in a different way, in a different perspective, automatically you get that energy, you get that, enthusiasm towards life. And this is important, what you have to teach your children. You will put your children into best possible school, you will put them into best possible tuition classes, but maximum responsibility is yours, not the tuition classes or the schools. And what are you going to teach them? Not ABCD, not computers, not like some sketching, or not something now it's like coding, decoding. Arey bhai, unko life skills sikhaiye. You need to teach your children to be resilient. You need to teach children to be giver. You need to teach children to be a good human being. And ये सिर्फ सिखाने से नहीं होगा. ये children learn from observation. They will just observe you. So अगर आपको लगता है आपका बच्चा, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, ये तो तुम्हारे पे गया है बिल्कुल. Why? Because they learn with observation. So अगर आप कुछ एक्शन अलग कर रहे हो और आप बातें कुछ अलग कर रहे हो, they will not see your actions, but they listen to you, like they observe you. They observe completely. They don't listen to you. Sorry, they don't listen to you, but they observe you. So that's where it's very important in this, especially Corona time. See, we had never anticipated कि हमारी जिंदगी आज ऐसी रहेगी, but हो गई है. तो can we एंटिसिपेट कि हमारा बच्चा जब बड़ा होगा, अगर आपका बच्चा आज 10 साल का है, 5 साल का है, टॉडलर है, 3 साल का है, कैन यू इमेजिन अ वर्ल्ड आफ्टर से 20 years, आफ्टर 15 years? We can't imagine. So what like skills are we going to give that child? So we need to have certain skills: kindness, humanity, universal human values, resilience, positivity, and happiness. Can we teach our children to be happy? Yeah. Okay, so this is something. Okay, I am going too much into this. Then let's go to spirituality quickly. And yeah, Ajinkya, give me 5 more minutes and I will wind up. So spirituality is, we are talking about soul, because see, there was so much to talk to and I had so many things to share. So that's where, when we start, it goes beyond our time. So I'm sure I'm going to stick to my time, but quickly let me talk about spirituality. So if you start looking at everything where you can, start learning from that, because everybody is here with a purpose in life. So start learning from whatever experiences you are getting. So this is something I can talk about spirituality over here. I had many things, but I need to cut it down. So spirituality and financials. So this is something, like where everybody has gone through different challenges of finances. Aapka agar business hoga to it's down, job hoga to salary cut. You don't know whether the job is going to be there tomorrow or not. So that's where, it's a time when we have to really reflect, and you have to start saving whatever is there. We have to provide for our rainy days. And at the same time, I can tell you, this is a best thing what has happened for your children. अगर आप ऐसे दौर से गुजर रहे हो, तो because children, they realize the importance. हमारे पास हेल्पलाइन पे बहुत केसेस आते हैं कि जहाँ पे बच्चों को सब रेडीमेड मिलता है. There are no challenges in their lives. So this, take it positively कि this is a learning experience for your children, so that they become resilient, so they bounce back in their life whenever they get into these kind of situations. So there are some do's and don'ts. Quickly I'll take, and then we will share the positive affirmations which we have made the slides. So one, see, I have written it down, some quick, words which you have to recall. So first of all, accept, count on your blessings. This is another exercise. जब भी आपको बहुत down लग रहा है, depression लग रहा है, तभी आपको क्या करना है? You have to start counting on your blessings. बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम्स तो आते रहेंगे, बट जब भी आप ब्लेसिंग्स के बारे में सोचोगे तभी आपको रियलाइज होगा कि हाउ ब्लेस्ड वी आर, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द वर्ल्ड इज. दो चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस, if we can portray them the best side of our life, then definitely it is, they will feel ki, okay, there is a meaning to live. Let go a lot of things, engage yourself into good activities, celebrate small things, don't wait for big things, but celebrate small things with your family and friends. Talk to your people, whatever is there in your mind, just, you need to talk it out. Self-talk is very important, what you talk to yourself, because maximum talk what we do is with ourselves. So that talk has to be positive. Love. Start loving yourself, start expressing love for your children, for your family, for your elders, whoever is there at home. Prioritize observe your health regularly. Have some motivational song. This is something which really works, music, dance. Do you dance in the bathroom? Start dancing. If you don't have a place in your house, start dancing in the bathroom. Time management, start working on your time. Flexibility, take life very flexible, go with the flow, because these things I have started practicing and I've seen a tremendous change in my life. I have started attracting miracles. And okay, there are certain affirmations which I would like to share now. Yes, if you can share. Yeah, Ketki, do you want to share the affirmations?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. And as we all know that we are going through a very difficult time, it's very important that, we train our mind to be our best friends. So affirmations are positive statements about ourselves, which make ourselves feel better. So I would be reading out these affirmations. These are quick statements that you can, whenever you feel low, whenever you feel underconfident, these are statements which will, rise up that energy in you. It says, I am divinely protected and guided. Next, I am blessed. As Aarti ma'am rightly said, count on your blessings. Then my friends, family, and work is blessed. I am happy and healthy. I am grateful for what I have. I am a magnet of success. I am beautiful. I respect myself. I am courageous. I am guided to an abundance of joy. I am at peace. So these were few affirmations. We can also have our own affirmations, with the situation that we are going through. So as we were, as Aarti ma'am was talking about this toll-free number. So this is our toll-free number, and as our tagline says, "Corona se daro na." So do not worry, we are here for you. So do take care of your mental health, because your mind does matter.
Yeah. So thank you, Ketki. So this is my Parisarasha's, we work with lower income group schools also to improve underprivileged education. So if you want to get associated with us, please feel free to connect with us. Yeah, second slide. Yeah, okay. So before that, there are some don'ts also. So, stop, put your, if you are more on social media, so don't get into so much. You have to restrict your time on social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever news. Say no. If you have to read, like maybe for 5 minutes, 10 minutes don't read in the morning, by evening, somewhere before sleeping. Please don't read any kind of these kind of news, so that you will, avoid getting those bad dreams. Because see, it really works on our mind. So there are certain, don'ts in our life. And if you feel ki no, if your emotions are uncontrollable, please understand you need to seek help. We are there, or anybody, like wherever you feel you can seek help, talk to your friends. If you feel ki, okay, no, maybe your friends can judge you or something, so please feel free to talk to us. It's completely confidential and there is no judgments, because we have to understand, unfortunately in our country, like still mental health is a social taboo. So don't get into that, don't fall into that trap. Take help, help whenever you need anything from the universe. Also, if we ask, we get. So have that belief, have that hope. So there is, like towards the end, I just want to, like say, that Amitabh Bachchan ji had shared, I think it's a very beautiful poetry, where he says, "Guzar jayega, मुश्किल है पर फिर भी गुजर जाएगा, वक्त ही तो है गुजर जाएगा, जिंदगी जीने का ये जज्बा फिर उभर आएगा." So don't give up hope anytime. Let's, work on hope in giving each other. So now I think I'll, close my session. And if there are any questions or something, you are free to ask us. And we are there, anytime you can call us. It's a completely free, toll free, and there are no charges at all, because we believe at this time we really have to support the entire society who's going through this trauma, grief. We don't know how to, handle when there is a near and dear one's death, or somebody, whom who has passed away. So, that's where it's very important to take care of mental health of the entire family. So this is what we have been doing. So, we are very happy to be, of any use to any help to anyone.
Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am, and all the attendees. Beautiful session. We could learn a lot of things today. If you have any specific question, please post it here. We have time. We can take it. Now, Aarti ma'am, you have been working with the underprivileged and children with challenges with the economy to participate to the school and all. But we are going through a time and we have learned a lot of new normal today. But for those set of children who comes from those difficult background, for them this new normal is always there. They were fighting with all the odds all the time. Yes. Now, when we are so much into these challenges, how you are managing? Because Parisar Asha's involvement with education and mental health has been quite a lot.
Yeah.
So anything you want to say?
Yeah, so see what happened when situation completely changed. So what we have also done, we have also gone on digital, but we also have our worksheets and workbooks which are like in hard copies for children, because see our entire focus is catch them young. Because unless and until our children, it's always better to raise strong children than to rectify broken individuals who are adults. So we work always with the younger kids, where right from nursery till 7th standard and also till 10th standard. So that's where we started completely or digitalized, but we realized that not every child has that smartphone and everything. So that's where we are giving them hard copies of a book. We are giving them telephonic counseling. We are creating videos. We are creating, like supporting schools, especially to help these underprivileged, where teachers are trained to use these digital medias and platforms. We started a lot of free activities for children, especially online. Whoever can get access, and it's like free spoken English classes. Then we had study circles where children were mentored by, engineering students and all, where they were teaching them language, maths, science, especially. So there are n number of different activities. See, all these years, what we have been doing is, trying to fix up those gaps which are there in our education system. See, today, why are we having so much of problem? Because we have, educated people, but we can call them even, unpad gawar, not so educated, because you may have degrees, but you may not have, that kind of attitude and value systems. And this is where the challenges lies, like throughout the world, it's a challenge. So when we work with schools, it's always not just providing knowledge, but it's providing skills for life. That is, we talk about 21st century skills. That is creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and compassion. And along with that, there are a number of different skills, because these skills are going to, make or break your life, your child's life in future. This is going to really give that child to be sustainable in the society for tomorrow, and even our society will be sustainable. And plus value systems, like what we
With
talked
this,
about.
there is a question from Monica Patnaik and
Yeah.
Aarti ma'am. So, any tip to manage the mental happiness of all family members during this pandemic and work from home structure with home responsibility and child at home? Let me add one more line to it, which you have also raised. We are talking a lot about the generation who is managing or overall responsible to take care of the family. They're more positive, they are protective, they are the earning source of member of the family, managing children. What about the elderly population or maybe the elder member of the family? You know, so it is equal either if we are having a micro life or we are living outside away from the elderly or from the grandparents, the children, the younger generation are away, or sometimes they are living together. Any
See,
message, because
yeah.
they have lived their life with a beautiful time, now
Yes.
going through the toughest time.
Yes. So suppose if you are not staying with those elderly people, if you are staying away, and your parents are maybe at native place. So there are different scenarios, right? Either you are living with them or your parents are away and you are somewhere else and you are really worried. So we get a lot of calls, like from people who are staying abroad. So what we have told them is, have certain groups. See, there are so many volunteers today. So have your good relations with your neighbors where your elderly people are living alone, So your neighbors can always be in touch with you if there is any requirement. Have the local NGOs connects. If you need any kind of support, you can always call us. We can also give counseling, because elderly people, what they want to talk. They want to have somebody to whom they can express their feelings. They need somebody to talk to. And abhi kya hota hai na, hamare paas time nahi rehta. Whole day you are busy, you are working at home, you are taking care of kids, you are taking care of your job, online work from home types. You are under stress, you can't entertain elderlies. So that's
Right.
where the conflicts happens. So don't worry, you can always help these adults to learn technology, and that's what I have done. So I can tell you with my own experience, like they are like other kids, they are like your kids can be manageable, but then sometimes it's very difficult to manage adults, your senior citizens, because they became so emotional. कुछ भी हो जाएगा immediately रो देंगे, they'll say कि क्यों, why भगवान ने हमें अभी तक रखा है, and all that stuff. They get into all that stories. So there, you need to have that patience, because they will not have, neither your kids will have patience. So
Right.
this is the generation where you have to have that patience, but have the groups, community groups, and like support groups. Have the support system. Even for your kids, you need to have support system, and your like elderly people, for them you need to have support system.
Thanks, ma'am. And Pramod Dikshit is asking, please suggest few yoga asana helpful for increasing positivity. Let me answer, Pramodji. After maybe in a day time, you will be receiving a complete compilation of this 3-day session where we have covered the self-care, personal wellness, and brain story, how the children think and act, and today's session. And with that, we will also give you a link where the yoga session will be absolutely there, complimentary for you as well, and some language program. We are also doing the French language program for the children, which is also complimentary from I Am the Best Mom. You will receive in detail. Now, we will also communicate to you the helpline number of Parisar Asa, which is going to be available for your immediate help. So do use it, somebody when it is they are in need.
Yeah. So there is somebody who's asking about stress, like get rid of stress. So ma'am, of course, there are a lot of techniques we can definitely share with you, but right now no time. But we are available. Call us on our helpline. We will share with you all the stress, like techniques related to stress, because we also need to understand from where the stress comes from, so that we can treat that stress.
True. And for the other attendees, we are also running health-related issues which we are seeing currently, and there are many new thing which is happening in and around where we are absolutely not aware what to do, what not to do. So that we do every Thursday at I'm the Best Mom, called Cover Page Cover Story. So this session we are going to have a very important, I think everybody is trying to understand what exactly is black fungus or mucormycosis. So please do join on Thursday 7 p.m. to understand more about the myths and fact. Now, Aarti ma'am, it's so nice to have you today here, and the conclave is on for next 2 weeks, and the attendees, I'm requesting you learn and spread. That's more important. Let's not keep it to ourselves only. That's what even that's what is Parisar Asha have been doing for last 40 years. That's the reason they're very happy, as you could see out here with Aarti ma'am and Ketki, though they address a lot of concern queries with mental health. Now, we are going to have a lot of informative session in the coming 2 weeks, and let's hear it out.
Everybody, namaskar, namaskaram, sat sri akal, salam alaikum. I'm Usha Uthup, and I'm your mother, or I'm your grandmother. Motherhood for me is just the most amazing experience. Winging aspirations. My children and grandchildren have been the center of my life. This terrible pandemic has been awful for everybody. I mean, there's not a single soul that has not been affected by it, really. And all that I want to say to everyone is that don't despair. I know it's very difficult. I know we have to think, because we're seeing it all over the place, right? But remember, there is a God above. And if this invisible virus can do such a lot to us, remember that that one invisible power can finish everything. So let us all get together and believe in the fact that things are going to be better. I am so excited to be a part of this exclusive online Plan Ahead. Really, it's amazing to be a part of this. This is a Plan Ahead conclave. It's called I Am the Best Mom. And it's starting on the 21st of May, 2021. I look forward to welcoming each and every one of you to this fantastic conclave with 4 leading experts in their fields. Please be there, okay? I am the best.
So with this, I'm so thankful, ma'am. Thank you so much, and thank you all the attendees for giving your time today. Wishing you all a very good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ketki.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much.